Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are starting list. So what we will do is we will input 10 elements in a list and print its sum and the largest number. So first we have to declare the list. So I will write here L as variable equals to these brackets. So these brackets are identified as list in Python. And then I will start a for loop as we have to input 10 elements. So I have written here for I in range 10. And then I will input a number. So what this will do is this will run 10 times as the inputting number function is inside the for loop. Then I will append it into the list and that's it. Then I will print it. So the sum of list is sum L. So here the sum is a function which is inbuilt in Python which sum the all elements of the list. And also we have another function named max which will find out the largest number from the list. So we will write here print. The largest number in the list is max L. So that's it. Okay, so let's run the program and let's see what happened. Okay, so here I have to input a number. So let us say first I will input 1, then 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So here you can see the sum of the list is 55 and the largest number in the list is 10, which is correct. I have written these consecutive numbers because I want simple output. We already know the sum of these 10 numbers are 55, which is correct. And the largest number is visible. So the largest number is also correct. So this is how the program is running. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you want me to make more such videos on other topics, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.